I'm Dominique Lima and I'm a personal advisor on the 16 plus team in Bridgend Council. The Social Services Practitioner Award was offered through the training department.
We've got the SSP qualification where they can complete 2 years of the Social Service Practitioner Award. That can be used then to be APAL'd across the first year of the degree. Myself and my colleague Hugh had a discussion with Dominique and explained what the qualification entailed and what she was expected to do over the 2 years.
I was able to work full-time alongside doing the course. It was pretty flexible, like in the evenings I could do a little bit, on the weekends I could do a little bit, sort of pick up when I wanted to do it, but I still got paid, which was great, so I didn't lose out financially.
Flexibility is absolutely key, really, isn't it, in terms of how we work, how we learn, how we develop. So we're very much conscious in terms of that, around how do we provide an environment which is flexible, which does create opportunity, but also hopefully makes people feel kind of valued within what they're doing.
I liked the variation in the setting. It was a lot of building on independent living skills with young people, taking them to appointments, forming links with family members, promoting contact between their family and their social settings as well.
It's a pleasure to see her growing and developing and using her skills in her role.
It's definitely helped me in my practice, 100%. That care planning that I'm doing with young people, I'm sort of applying the legislation, applying my knowledge, my skills, my experience from my course to the young people. It's benefited my teammates. It's benefited me in meeting, it's benefited me all over really.
She's got the right attitude, she's got the right caring, compassionate commitment to helping and supporting people. Not just the person that she's looking after and supporting, but the wider family and the carers that are involved with her as well.